Hey everybody, welcome to the Small Car Performance South Tacoma Grille install tutorial video. As you can see here, you've gotten a South Tacoma Grille. Congratulations. As you start to unbox your grill, take an inventory of all the things that you have and you need to make this possible. As you can see here, we're going through and inventorying our outer headlight brackets and retaining rings and all the associated hardware. Now that we've got everything laid out, we can start to take a look at our assembly process. I highly recommend a bench or a table to help you out here. You're going to want to install all of your mounting hardware onto your headlights. Your headlights are going to vary by brand, make, etc. So you're going to want to make sure that in the case of installing different or unmarked or unbranded lights not sold by us, that they actually work. This Holley Retro Bright's a really good example of one that works and is super high quality. Take the time to install your retaining rings. Don't over tighten them, as you can actually kind of flex and maybe break them long term. Now that you've got your retaining rings installed, you're going to take your spring-loaded mounting screws. You'll take the springs, you'll take the screws, you'll connect them together to the riv nuts in the headlight bracket. This will allow you to adjust your lights once your light brackets are completely installed and the grille's installed. Try to get these relatively flush all the way around in terms of the orientation of the light. You'll understand what I mean when you get the light going. All right, so you've got your new grill, but you got to get rid of your old grill. So you're going to unscrew your square headlights because this is going to be the most common replacement. If you have rounds, you can leave your headlight brackets. Unscrew both sides. You'll pull the lights out and disconnect all of the connectors on the backs of the lights. You'll see one for your big squares and one for your inner bright squares. Next, we're going to take out the mounting bracket that's pop riveted into the body of the van to accommodate your new inner round headlight brackets. So now we are going to start installing our headlights with brackets. We start with the outer headlights. We use the original mounting bracket holes as our holes for this headlight bracket as well. So we'll do one screw on each side in the headlight and headlight bracket together. Do not tighten this all the way, because we're going to want to be able to slide this light bracket left and right with the grill loosely fitted on the van to get the proper centering for the headlight and headlight bracket. Once we have the grill on, we'll be able to get those lights set, and then you'll tighten that screw carefully. Then you'll pull the grill off and you'll add a screw to the bottom, finalizing your headlight placement. You'll take a very similar approach with the inner headlights, as you'll see coming up here shortly. However, we do not have a reference hole to start with. So in this case, you're really going to need to have something like a piece of painter's tape or something like that to help you get an initial reference point so that you can move this around. This headlight is going to have 4 holes put into the body to attach it. We typically use self-tapping screws because we have slotted brackets to make it simpler. But you really want to get close on your first screw in each of the inner headlights as well. You'll apply the same logic. One screw on each bracket to start. This could take 2 or 3 fittings of the grill just to get those lights in the right spot. And voila, you've got lights and light brackets ready to go. And we'll get our center pin installed from the original grill so that we can mount this thing up permanently. Pull that center pin and that rubber grommet, slide it through and make sure it's nice and tight. That's going to allow the grill to attach to the body of the car. Next, you're going to fix your emblem in there. Lots of emblem choices. Most people choose black or silver, but we do have 3D printed options you can check out as well. That emblem fits in there snug and secure. It's a good snap. When you're installing the grill for the first time, you've got your center mounting points on the bottom that overlap with the body. It will be tight in your outer headlight holes. Those outer headlight holes, you will have to massage the grill in and get that clip secured around the body. Take your time here and ensure that the grill is clipped around the body. That's it for your South Tacoma Grille install. If you have any questions, give us a holler.